Hey guys, we are back with another Lightning payment chain video. This time we're buying a coffee for a friend with the Lightning Network. So, got the bulk card.
I'm using the CoinCorner wallet with a 15,000 sat invoice. And then I'm going to send those 15,000 sats to Matt.
So I've got Moon Wallet here, got a 15,000 sat invoice. Cool, it's received. So if I click send, over to Danny.
I'm going to receive this on Phoenix wallet for non-custodial, already received. I'm now going to send to our friend Joe here in El Salvador.
Hi Joe.
Hey Joe.
Hey Joe, what's your lightning?
Guess where I am?
The flags give it away.
It's Joe at CoinCorner.io.
CoinCorner.io. So I'm going to send via a lightning address now to Joe, so don't have to scan a QR code. All the way from the Alaman to Joe in El Salvador, and that's now sent and received.
Oh, I've just got a notification on my watch. I've received 50,000 sats on the Lightning Network. Dave, can I pay for this coffee with my... Of course, there's no pleasure. Fantastic. So I'm going to hold it up to the back of his phone. He's got a notification to open up in wallet to Actually, he's wallet to pay. And he clicks to receive. And just like that, he's coffee. Here, guys.
Enjoy the coffee.
Enjoy.
Thanks Joe, thanks Gabe.